Hi everybody, this is your girl Artas Jewelers by Tavia Spencer, where I make your jewelry and accessories for everyone. And I do beaded custom jewelry. I specialize in 14 karat gold filled and sterling silver. I also want you to make sure you follow me on all my social platforms on Facebook at Artas Jewelers Gold Beaded Jewelry and also on Instagram at Artas Jewelers. So today I am going to start with my Garnet birthstone. This is for January and this is an anklet. Not right now, baby. So this is January. This is an anklet. It's very beautiful and simple. And this is 10 inches. And this is $30. This is my baby love design. And as I'm doing this, let's see. I'm going to stick the numbers in here so I can clean up as I go. Alright, can you put this in this box, Camden? Alright, let's move on to the next one. This one is also number 2. Sorry, the other one was Garnet. And this is clearance for $10. But if I was to remake it, it's going to be $45. This is number 2. This is also Garnet. And this is an anklet, a bracelet for an adult. Yep, for an adult. And this is about 8 inches in length. All right, Camden, I'm going to probably have you put this in that box too, okay? All right, there you go. And this is number 3. Number 3, this is an infant bracelet, bangle, and this is have a lot of wire work details. And this is also, I'm sorry, this one is amethyst. You see this detail and work in here? It has 3 beads right here. These are 3mm beads. And this, of course, like I said, my son is 4 and it's not going to fit on his wrist, you know, as for a female. So this may fit on an infant that's at least less than 1 year old. And that one is number 3. This one is $45. Oh, can you put that in there too? Then we have a bigger size. This is also for a child. And it's almost the same. Well, basically, it's the same concept as the one before. This is also amethyst. And it has a total of 4 crystals. This is wire wrap. So, of course, your designs are not going to be the same. This one goes for $45 also for a child. This is number 4. And I'm going to try to show about 2 more pieces. This one is number 5. Amethyst. That's February birthstone. So if you've seen the ones before that, it's the same design, except it's not wire work. And it has 4 crystals also. And this is beaded. This is also for a child. This is probably about 5 inches in length. And that is it for tonight. Those are my 5 pieces that I want to show. And don't forget to visit my website at www.artasjewelers.com. That's www.artasjewelers.com. And I'm going to show you these 5 pieces one more time. We're going to count backwards. So here is the business card. Got all your information on there. And let's go ahead and count it on down and close this video out. So number 5. Number 5. This is a child's bracelet, 4 beads, and this is amethyst. This is a February birthstone. Can I get number 4, Cam? Number 4. Thank you, sir. This is the amethyst bangle for infant. Can I get number 3? Number 3, another bangle. This has 4 crystals in the middle. Two. All right. Number 2. Number 2 is the Garnet bracelet. This is actually individually linked with the large 12 millimeter clear crystal in the middle. This is for January birthstone. Can I get number 1? Beautiful anklet. Do y'all like the way this cutout is made? This is handmade. Tell me if y'all like my little display. All right, so this is sterling silver. And this is also January birthstone. Make sure. Yep, January birthstone. This is an anklet. And it's a 10-inch anklet. And this is the Baby Love design. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Make sure that if you have Cash App and you want to purchase these tonight, rewind the video. There's my information, Cash App. You go on the website. Now, if you're looking at this video tonight, which is October 2019, then you may see different prices. So make sure that you hit me on Cash App only for tonight. Well, not for tonight, but the month of October. Have a blessed night.